everyone, welcome back to my channel. Blanca here, showing you today how to make a Thanksgiving napkin ring with the help of the Cricut maker. Let's start off by opening up the Cricut design space and choosing a turkey that will work for this project. This is the one I chose. This right here that I'm about to do is just personal preference to have the least layers that I can. Next, I went over to contour and clicked hide all contour so I could just be left with the base of the turkey and no scored lines. Then here I already had these two circles copied to my clipboard, but basically it's just a big circle within and a small circle. Then I am sizing them, and I will take the turkey and the big circle and weld those two together. Then I will take the welded result and the small circle and slice it. I then take the sliced results till I'm left with my napkin ring image. Next, I choose heavy chipboard for my material, and I slide the wheels all the way to the right to make sure that the material can fit through. And make sure that when you put your heavy chipboard onto your Cricut mat, to use painter's tape to help hold it down, since the Cricut maker does have to do a lot of passes to cut through. I also cut out the image onto some gold foil paper, and here I am adding tape to the back of that one so that I could then tape it to the chipboard image and just add a nicer look to it. You can also paint the chipboard or do anything like that to decorate it. I just loved how this was gonna look. The foil paper is a beautiful gold with some really pretty texture. I just love how it turned out. Next, I just rolled up the napkin that I'm going to use and put it through the napkin ring. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you like this type of video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! Happy crafting!